everybody, I'm standing here in front of my tower garden. So this is something that we've used for the past couple of years. I actually was raised by a family of gardeners, and so I always thought it would be awesome to be able to grow my own food and to be able to grow it organically without all the chemicals. However, with my busy lifestyle, it's almost impossible for me to keep up with the garden and keep things alive, simply because I don't have time to weed, and watering would be crazy here in Florida with the hot sun. So I call this gardening for dummies. This system is like a no-brainer. So all we have to do is fill this reservoir, there's 20 gallons, with water, and then for every 20 gallons, we add 400 milliliters of 2 different tonics. So we just pour that in this little reservoir where the water is, and it comes with this mineral. There's a mineral blend A and B. So the cool thing about that is it puts all of the organic minerals back into the water, and so traditional farming methods only put about 3 minerals back in. So if you listen to some of our talks before, what we said is, like, even when you make healthy choices and you buy organic and you're buying fresh produce and getting your vegetables, a lot of times you still can't replace all those important minerals because the soil is void of all of the minerals. So when you see mineral tonic A and B, you can see all these amazing things that they add back to it. So what you should know is that your food that you're growing is only as healthy as what it's getting from its soil or water content. So we just pour in 400 milliliters of tonic A and tonic B, and then you plug your little plants into these little reservoirs. So I planted this tower 3 weeks ago, so you can see how quickly in 3 weeks things have come up. So when we ordered our little plants, our seedlings, which I can give you guys if you're interested, the supplier, they're in Gainesville, Florida, so it's somewhat local. This is the size of the little seedlings, and they start them off in this little rock wool. So this is just like this rock wool stuff that holds water really well. So they started that big 3 weeks ago, and then you plug them into these little spots. We have like little baskets that hold them, and then inside this tower is a water reservoir. There's a pump, and it sends the water from the reservoir up, and then it trickles down over the roots. So it's called hydroponic gardening because it's water-based. And then we've got all sorts of cool stuff, so it's almost been boring. I put this all in 3 weeks ago. It hasn't needed to be refilled with water. We just come by and admire the plants and see how big they've gotten, and then we turn it a quarter turn so that everything takes a turn getting in the sunshine, and that's it. So today's the first day in 3 weeks. We're going to come out here and fill the water reservoir, give it some more mineral blend, and then the only other thing we need to do on a regular basis, we just need to check the pH of the water with, like, you guys have probably seen these for like your pool kits or whatever, and just adjust the pH of the water if necessary. What I've noticed is I don't really have to adjust it very much. It seems like the water that we're getting here is pretty pH balanced. So check back, that's 3 weeks. We'll be posting regularly to show you what's growing here. Check our website. We're going to have a class later in the month on how to grow your own food. This all really kind of came out of response from the whole coronavirus epidemic, pandemic they're calling it, was that food wasn't readily available. It was harder for people to be able to find organic produce in stores, and so this is sustainability. You save water, you save money, so I thought that would be something our pages would be definitely into. So there'll be a class. Check the website for the class, and then if you want to learn more about the tower garden, there's actually right on our website on the home page, there's a little button that you can click. It has an active link to our tower garden site, as well as a lot of information on why you would want to do hydroponic gardening in the first place. So that's all I have for you today. Enjoy your day.